Hey everybody, welcome. This is Jackie from girlwithNoName.com, and I'm here today with Dave Ruel, the author of Anabolic Cooking, the cookbook. And it's an awesome cookbook, and if you're interested in burning fat and building muscle, this is a cookbook for you. Lots of great recipes in this, and I'm really, really excited to have Dave on the call today. So welcome, Dave.
Hi, Jackie.
How you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. Good to be here.
Yeah, it's great. I can't wait to get started. Just to get going here, just to explain to everybody sort of who you are, do you want to tell us a little bit more about yourself?
Absolutely. So as you said, my name is Dave Ruel, and people know me online as the Muscle Cook, just because I am known for my recipes. I am Canadian from Eastern Canada, from Moncton, New Brunswick. I'm currently 28 years old. I've been a fitness professional for a few years now. I'm a competitive bodybuilder as well. What else? So no need to say I'm passionate about fitness, nutrition, and of course cooking. And I've launched Anabolic Cooking last March. And basically, I've helped actually multiple thousand people, improve their cooking skills and nutrition in general through this book and through my website. So that's me.
Okay, awesome. So why don't we start off with